Hi, hello, mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hardin ni Mayora. And for today's video, I'm going to show you the things I've completed for 3 days. So, if you're from the Philippines, you're aware that we experienced a storm last week, Karina. So, that affected my schedule in arranging, repotting, and rescuing my Sansevieria. So the construction of my garden was only completed last Friday. There, including these tables. Hence, I was only able to started rearranging and fixing or repotting my Sansevieria only Saturday. So this is Sawari Sawarika. This is 23251, slightly variegated. This is my chanin from Manang Carol, Dragon Toe, and the pots are all from Hunter Pottery, except for the clay pots. Clay pots I bought this long time ago. The clay pots without design, because these are also clay pots. This is my dwarf cylindrica, a dwarf bonsal. This one I do not know. I think this is a hybrid. Marga, variegated Andaman. This is my Mangalitsa. Sansevieria species Mangalitsa. Dwarf. It's also dwarf. This is a variegated Consina Moonshine Glow from Davao. This one I do not know. I forgot the ID. That one as well. This is my this is the non-variegated Sawadi, and this is my variegated Gabriela. This is my unknown. I'm not sure if this is silver AA, and that's my blue leaf variegated. This is my crown prince, I think, variegated crown prince, variegated copper tone kirky eye. This one, I think I got this as slight variegated. This one, slight variegated copper tone, and then when it gives me pop, the variegation becomes more intense, became more intense. See, this one, the same variegated Kirkii copper tone. That is variegated Doris Pifenig. And then this is my not variegated. This is my Baltasar. This is a hybrid Consina. I forgot the other parent. This is unknown. I don't know what's the ID. Under this table, I have my specimen. This clump of fishery, clump of mafinga, this one. These are Dragon King. These are the Dragon King. I do not know if this, because I combined the two plants in one bucket. This, I'm sure, is a Dragon King. This one, it has a different mottling, so I do not know what kind of Betale is this one. This is my silver blue and a clump of Masoniana. And then baseball bat, I think. This is a hybrid. I do not know what's the ID. And these are newly shifted and newly planted. A mutation of Metallica, and this one, oh, it's dying. Beauty Queen. And on the entrance of my garden, this is my Aloe giant. See, this is my hand, and you can see how big and how wide the leaf is. This leaf. This is for propagation. I will only collect the one that mutated. This one and this one. On the next table, I have this. I think Marsha and Johnny. Same. This one, the same with this one. This silver select, I think. My variegated katana. This is already very old. That's why it has already this on its leaf. This I do not know. I forgot the name. I forgot the name of this one. This I think is I do not know if if it's a silver blue. I'm not sure, but it has a different growth. This is Nitida. This is the mother plant of my Mangalitsa. This is Hernando. I think this is Platinum Bonsel. This is a Pepito hybrid. Platinum Bonsel. Silver AA. This one, Namfon, something like that. I do not, I forgot the name. Nangforn? I'm not sure. This, I do not know. But this is from the pop of my old collection. I only collected the pop and I think I planted the mother plant on the ground outside outside our fence. Bali, of course. This I forgot what's the ID, but this is my dancing dragon. Yes. It has already started to curl up. So first step of dancing. My variegated fancy CCI. I think this is white variegation. This is the mother plant. And this is my yellow one. That is a hybrid tower. I think that's the pagoda. And then Narine and Dancing Queen. The leaf of this one is very rough. It looks soft on the video or on the picture, but actual feelings, it's very rough. And this is Mike Phillips CA. The old name is Kitonga. This is my variegated. I forgot the name. I think Dwarf Samurai or variegated Distica. This is a hybrid cylindrica from Bonsel hybrid Bonsel. That one is a gift from Manang Carol. I do not know what's the ID. This is this is not a dwarf summer. This is not a dwarf Bonsel. I think it's even smaller than the dwarf one. This I think is Nilin, a hybrid, a gift from my friend from Baguio City. Also this one, his own hybrid. This I forgot the name. Oh, that's the ID. It's Rookie. That one is Money. This is Chubby. That I don't know. Bali, of course. This is another Nilin. Another Nilin. This is empty. The one I planted when my friends visited yesterday. I gifted it to him. This is a hybrid, I'm sure. This one I do not know. That one I don't know. This one I don't know. I don't know as well. That is super pink but variegated. And then silver Laurentii. This bat, I do not know. I think it's silver bat. This is variegated at Ebi. Ming Mani, another variety of Kunsina. This one, it gave me a variegated pop. This is the mother plant, the master plant, this one. And then it gave a variegated pop, so I separated the variegated pop. This is also a Kirkii hybrid or the Pipito hybrid. I don't know what's the ID. Of course, towering plant and my beauty queen. These are from Davao. This I get from Manang Carol. I'm sorry, Manang Carol. Accidentally during the transportation, the transport, the new leaf got broke. I'm really sorry that one. This is my Rurida. I think it's two-tone because see, it has different shades. This is another Rurida, and this is my Coco. This is Black Diamond or Blorong. This is a tower. Gabriela from Rescue. I hope it will survive. This I do not know the ID. It looks different. The leaf is very thick and it did not grow well. That's why I do not know the ID. This is Honey Eye. That one I do not know. What's the ID? I think another Silver AA. More Honey Eye. This is Crazy Crab. This I received as a gift. I do not know what's the ID. There. It has a tag. Fat Man. Another Towering. This is my Pipistree. Chelomita. I think that's the ID of this one. Excuse me. This is my Erin Bergii banana. I do not know if this is sexy or the fat banana. And that's my, I forgot the ID. This is a platinum, this is a hybrid from Pipito also, cylindrica. This is Motomo Kenya, I think. Yeah. This one, a gift from Ate Mildred from Cebu. I do not know the ID. It has no ID yet. So we are tagging it as Mildred. Sansevieria Mildred. It's a hybrid from Thailand, I guess. If I remember it correctly. This is my Parva Gilt Edge. See? It has a yellow line, thin line on the edge of the leaf. That's why it's called Gilt Edge. This, I think, is Ravana. I'm not so sure. Or this is the Ravana. See? Between the two, it's I do not know which one is the Ravana and Draga X. This is, I forgot the ID. The new leaf, the type of variegation is Akibono. The new leaf will be yellow, and then once it become older, it becomes older, it will turn to be dark green. The usual leaf. This is my variegated Bali. Another honey eye. One I do not know. That is, I do not know also the ID. This is the Mariposa from Sir Dodong. Yeah, Mariposa. This one is because it's newly planted. That's why the leaf are still curling in. So this is also variegated Consina. This is another hybrid Pipito. I think it's Remy. This one. towering. This one, I think this is Gabriela variegated. This is Siam Gold. This is my Akibono type of bonsal variegated. This is Puwili Eye variegated. Another Erin Virgi banana. I'm not sure of the ID. I'm not sure if this is sexy or fat. That one is a Glance Ang hybrid, meaning Glance hybrid, no ID yet. This, I forget the ID. This is variegated Gabriela. Variegated Malawi. It's in a very small pot because it's still a small sunset. This is a variegated Marcia Anjani Gabriela. This is variegated Midnight Fountain, a variegated Canaliculata. That one is towering. I do not know. What's the ID? This is also a hybrid. Mm. HP 906. That's the code of the pot. This one, I do not know. It's a high. This is a variegated. I think Beetle Super Clone. Okay, that one is. I do not know. It's in my collection for several years now, but I do not know the ID. I think it's a dark black Bunlow torch. And this is my towering. It's already towering. This is my hand for reference, and that's already the height. That is Sansevieria species Mogadishu, from Mogadishu. That's a place where it was collected. I think this is my a variegated Doris Piffinig. This is Chow Praya. The one at the back, that one, that is Angola variegated. I know. I think it's a slight variegated Angola. This is my half moon variegated bonsal. The variegation is on the other side. Variegated bonsal and another variegated bonsal. This one I do not know. I forgot the ID, but that's the variegation. This is my Maya. So, this is Luki, the god of mischief. That's the ID. This is the mother plant of my Parva Gilded Edge. See, the pop is growing very unusual. That is a gift, slight variegated something something. This is my Lady Gaga. This one. Okay. The leaves are curling very prettily. This is Lady Gaga. That is another silver hybrid. I think this is also Chow Praya. That is a non-variegated Doris Pfennig, Hedgehog, Gabriella. Oh, this I harvested from my big. What's the ID of that one again? Oh, I forgot the ID. I harvested from it and then I throw the mother plant because it's already dying. So, Chayo, yeah, Chayo. And this is another Pipito hybrid, but still very small. So as this one. Oh my God, it's dying. Hmm. That is Gabriella. This is a very small. See, that is my thumb. My thumb is bigger than this variegated pinguicula. So below the table, I think that is celery. This is silver fern. Another mapinga. This is variegated fernwood, I think. Another Mafinga SP. That is Kirky Eye. These are bonsal, just the regular bonsal. This I think is Horwoodii. Yes, silver fern, silver blue with damaged old leaf. It has a new pop already. This one. This is Medusa, and this is my Dometicens. That is my giant green, but my Dometicens is in bloom. Giant green bud. That is, oh, it's very tall. That is my super clone, Betalay super clone. That one is hybrid from the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA. That is my big robusta. This, what's the idea of this again? I forgot. Robuscula. Robuscula. That is Homiflora or the Hawaiian star, variegated. This is my Distica. Another variegated bonsal. That is Ichopica blue. Blue Ichopica. Pinks, yeah, pink cell. Pink cell, but it's purple. This is my variegated Bagamoyensis. Another variegated fernwood. Bitala, watermark. I think these are silver AN. Same. This is my variegated, I forgot. This is a hybrid Motomo X Bonsal. It's already clumping. Very good clump. A very good clump. That is my Black Dragon and my Jade Dragon in one pot. This is Downsy Eye, giant Downsy Eye. This is Bella. These are my variegated Malawi. This is Makosa. And this is Silver Dragon, I think. Collection number is CH316. And then my variegated Zimbabwe. Another variegated something. This is this is a gift, Mafinga, and then it gave me a variegated leaf. But this is non-var when they gifted it to me. Bagamoyensis non-var. Bonsal, silver crown. This is dragon wings, dark green. This is my non-var Zimbabwe. This is giant green but variegated. That one I think Crown Prince, noun var, and several robust at the back. I planted here different flat and wide leaf. This is, I have a Bruda here. This one is a Bruda. This is Malawi Midnight. There's a space because I'm still going to plant something. Another Masoniana. And this, Malawi Midnight and then Masoniana variegated. This is also Horwoodii. This is my big Dofarica Nanvar. Baseball bat. I forgot the name. This is a hybrid. Another hybrid. And then on the other side, my big variegated Ed Abbey. Clump of bonsal. These are Horwoodii, I think. And my fishery from forming a rosette type. Now it already became the latest pop already became singularis. See, this already grow there. I forgot the ID. This one we received as a souvenir from a wedding. Now it had grown. This is the Nanvar cylindrica. And of course, my prized possession, the variegated cylindrica. So I still have few here for repotting and rescuing. and and a few more for repotting and rearranging. Yeah, this will take me one more day to complete. And that will be the completion of my garden rearranging, rescuing, and others. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, like, comment, share, so other people can also watch my videos, okay, and appreciate the beauty of Sansevieria. Disclaimer, oh, disclaimer is announced at the end of the video. uh, I am not very um, very familiar with the IDs anymore. So if you found that the IDs I provided you are wrong, please correct me, okay? I will appreciate that. Okay, thank you very much. And please be safe and be happy, be kind. Bye. See you in my next video. Enjoy.